How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're going to be going over a safety recall regarding the sticky steering situation on the 11th generation Honda Civic. So this is 2022 to 2024 model year, and it affects the LX, EX, and EXT model trims only at this time, and not the Sport and the Touring, although there is a different recall for that, which I previously made a video on. Also, some people have reached out to me regarding the current generation CR-V with the steering sticky situation, and the Integras as well. So again, if you are experiencing this and this isn't part of the recall, which is only for the Civic at this time, make sure you do concern your issues, address your issues with your current dealer, your local dealer, and it's possible this warranty will get expanded at some point. As of right now, again, 2022 to 2024 model years, LX, EX, and EXT trims only. So what's going on is essentially during manufacturing process, there was an error and may affect the rack stroke at that point, causing this issue. So Honda is bringing those vehicles in that they believe is affected, and we will have to inspect the label, and depending on what we find, that car will be okay, or we will be replacing the rack only. We reuse the old motor on the new rack, we do our adjustments, our programming, and you're good to go. Again, if you're experiencing this and your vehicle is not affected, the vehicle is affected, people will get notified by mail, or when you bring your vehicle in, you will get notified at that point that the recall is available, and if you wish to do it at that time or not. In the event that your vehicle is not covered, but you feel like this may be an issue on your car, again, make sure you address that concern with your service advisor, your local dealer, and like that, it's possible at some point this recall may get expanded to more trims or different models as well. But as of right now, this is all we have. And again, you should be getting notifications in the mail. This recall did come out December 8th. I missed it just because of so many recalls that were coming out all in one shot. So again, if you have one of these vehicles, make sure you contact your local dealer. If your vehicle is affected, you should be getting a mailer in the mail. And like that, you could get this addressed and fixed as soon as possible. If you have had one of these repairs and you were witnessing or having this issue beforehand, let me know if you stopped experiencing this, and make sure you drop a comment down below. So like that, the whole community could get some feedback. With that being said, I'll catch you everyone on the next one.